I've been on top for a while. That's how I chip it to the moon. Fast car make gon' room, room. Take it to the boom, boom, room. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set. Inside a new Maybach coupe in a butter jelly. I'm sliding in the road, sliding in the lemon, sliding in the Benz. Been working on my confidence.
What's up, my babies? It's your girl MalijahSerenity, and I am back with another video. So today's video is just going to be me just getting myself ready, just doing some content. Not really going nowhere, but I be wanting to shoot content just to, to get it out and get myself out there. So that's pretty much what I'm doing. The first couple minutes of the video is just going to be of me doing my lashes. If you haven't already, I have up a lash tutorial of me doing my individual lashes. These I'm actually doing a different way than I did on that video. I actually used some regular strips and just cut them up. But if y'all want me to do another video on this, I can, because I actually did these differently. I had to lay them a different way. But yeah, so I'm just gonna be doing my lashes and my hair, and then y'all will see me, I'll be showing y'all my outfit. Y'all gonna get some real good content in this video, so make sure that y'all watch the whole video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all of my social medias at MalijahSerenity. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoy the video.
Bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hold 5-6 figures. Stripes on my ass, so he call his pussy tigger. Fucking on a scamming ass, rich ass nigga. Same group of bitches, ain't no ass to the picture. Drop a couple racks, watch his ass get bigger. Drinking on licking, I'm looking at your nigga. If it's money right, you can eat it like a snicker. I ain't got time for you fake ass hoes. Talking all loud in them fake ass clothes. Fake ass shoes, match that fake ass cold. I'm the realest bitch ever see you snake ass hoes. Act up, you could get snatched up. Act up, you could get snatched up. Act up, you could get snatched up. Dirty ass dance, baby girl, you need to back up. It's your Miami and I can't run my skate up. Tired ass hoes in my page trying to track up. Brand new chain, city girls going platinum. I keep a baby rock, I ain't fighting with no random, period. You bitches weak, is you serious? I let him take the pussy, now he acting all delirious. Did a dash in the rubber like it's fake the period. You see my number in his phone, now you acting curious. If I ask for it, he'll touch a nigga walking Tom for it. I bet your little sister wanna look like me. I bet your little brother wanna fuck on me. Hood bitch, little pussy, I ain't average. He can't come around without that cabbage. Pop a pussy bitch, quick like a bubble gum. I ain't never worry, I just do it for fun. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Dirty ass, yes, baby girl, you need to back up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Dirty ass, yes, baby girl, you need to back up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Dirty ass, yes, baby girl, you need to back up.
Excuse me, can I please talk to you for a minute?
Sure, you look kind of familiar.
Yeah, you do too. But I just wanted to know, do you know somebody named... You know his name.
Oh yeah, definitely. I know his name.
But I just want to let you know that he's mine.
No, he's mine.
There is no way you could mistake for your man or you.
so this is the skirt that I'm wearing. I got 3 options that I'm going to try from, so I'm gonna try them on and let y'all see. Okay, so this was the first option, just to keep it safe. It's just a black top, simple, cute accessories. I already know I'm not wearing this. I was just trying it on to see, because this was the first shirt I had found before I found all the other shirts. So this was just playing it safe. So this is the second option. My bra strap gonna be hiding, but this is the second option. And this is the option I really think I'm gonna go with. So
What?
this is definitely the option that I think I'm going to go with. Cute accessories, heels, purse, you know, all that. But let me show y'all the last one. Okay, and then this is the third option. So let me know which one y'all think is the cutest and which one you think I should have worn if I didn't choose the one that you wanted. Yeah. So which one I think?
Hold on, fuck that.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart.
Barbecue food?
I ain't never had a barbecue. Never. Y'all know I always gotta eat something. These wings are so good. Drink I got. This is strawberry lemonade. What this is? That is so good. And my mama got like this watermelon shake, and it's like actual water. I don't know. It's good as hell. But these fries.
Damn, little lady, you sure can't put it away.
You gotta try the Cajun fry. So good. Are they extra hot? Mm-hmm. You try it? Mm-hmm. They got the best Cajun fries. Hell. Cookout Cajun fries are really good too now. Mm-hmm.
I made some good behind lemon pepper wings too.
I do not eat chicken for real. I just eat the skin off and that's it. That's how I eat my chicken. I know it's a lot of people finna get on my case, but you know, once the skin gone, I don't be wanting the chicken no more. Oh, Jesus. Y'all, this hair is really cute like this. But I'm gonna curl her on up. Y'all. My hot comb smoking. I ain't used this in so long. I got an actual like stove one back home that I use. I like that one because it get real hot. This one is very good as well though. That's from Kendra's Boutique. I had it for a little minute and I actually do love that one. But I went back to the stove. Lip look like my wig pushed back. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if I remember. I thought I put it right here. I don't think, yeah, I didn't feel it sliding back though. But I kind of want to like redo it, like pull it up, because I feel like it's too far back.
Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, high and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one, really, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living, nothing conventional. crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, ride or die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside, PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, ride or die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, ride or die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, ride or die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, ride or die. Gotta watch your time.
So we was trying to figure out which shoes, and we decided on the gold. Do you think the black or the gold? Even though I want the gold.
Hold on, fuck that.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, cause I'm falling apart. Tension between us just like big fences. You got
The ending look super cute.
I've been on top for a while. That's how I chip it to the moon. Fast car make gon' vroom vroom. Take it to the boom boom boom. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared.
This is the ending look, my jewelry, and I just added on some gloss. I'm finna make a couple TikToks and then I'm gonna go take my pictures, so I'll be back on. And this is my scent for tonight, Baccarat. Camera not focusing, but yeah,
milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard.
I've been on top for a while. That's how I chip it to the moon. Fast car make gon' room, room. Take it to the boom, boom, room. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set. Inside the new Maybach coupe in the butter jelly. I'm sliding in the road, sliding in the lemon, sliding in the Benz. Been working on my confidence and respect. I get a lot of it. I don't ever mean that contradict. If it's up, then it's up with us. Tryna pour another cup with us. See my brother sitting mud with me.